Hello! We're going to do the unboxing today for the first prototypes of Emanation, the new card game from Golden Robes LLC. It's a card game created by my good friend Michael Stenbaek Litven, and Golden Robes is a company I founded with Mike and with Michael Marcus Felber. So me and Mike. And I'm very excited to have received the prototype we ordered from Make Playing Cards. We're not affiliated with them in any way. We've just been shopping around looking for different card makers, and they are highly reputable. And already it has a cool, cover up the address here, but you can see it has a cool kind of stamp on there. And let's see what we got. While we were ordering them, we also ordered a few other bonus samples to try to see what they're capable of in different ways. So here they are. Emanation. All right, we have Akashic record there. Let's open up. That's kind of cool. Already from the side, it looks good. Let's see. I will carefully open one of these. Let's get that there. And so these are sets of 5 decks each. Ooh, pretty good. They already have a really good feel. Let me just try to get one deck here. I think that'll be... Oh, these feel great. These have a very, very nice feel to them. This should be about 1 deck, I believe. No, this is not enough. Okay, I guess I have to see. Oh, that's right. So they're coming in. I'm going to have to sort out the decks. They come, the way we ordered them, they actually come all together with the same card multiple times. So I'm going to have to assemble these into decks. Of course, when we do the final product, we won't do it this way, but let's just take a look. Let's just see a few. Here's Lion. On summon, -2 to any physical card. These cards feel good. These feel really, they have like 3 or 4 different qualities, and we ordered the highest quality for this type. We also have another prototype set with a different kind of printing. This is the playing card style, so these are really good for shuffling. We also ordered one more like Magic the Gathering collectible style. So what you're seeing here, this is art created by an artist that we've hired, and these are for placement only, FPO. So these are just by Mike himself, just as placeholders, so we can play test. So you'll see that on summon, find a mental card in your deck. Mushroom can be played in any plane. Naga, add a physical value to a mental card or vice versa. Orb. So yeah, these are looking really, really good. I have to say they feel really good. They have a really nice kind of a fun back. These are all for placement only. This is a FPO logo. We're going to be updating all of this, but so far I have to say I'm pretty happy. Okay, what else do we have in the box? I'll be looking at some of these later, but we have, it's a couple of different box types to sample. This is a wooden box we wanted to sample that comes with a deck inside of it. So we're going to be checking out. These are some foil and embossed decks of regular playing cards. We just wanted to check out some of the options in case we want to do any foil or embossing. These are fluorescent playing cards, and these are also foil embossed playing cards of a different type. And then we have another kind of a box. So yeah, pretty exciting to just get to check out all of the different box types we've ordered and different playing card types. And yeah, then here's a metal box even. We were considering, different box materials. So we'll be reviewing all of these. That's it for me for now. Stay tuned, and I will put more videos soon with play testing of Emanation. Thanks for watching.